Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So I have brought a good news for all of you who are preparing for the government jobs or who are preparing for the government examination. So the IIFCL, that is the India Infrastructure Finance Company Limited, has released the vacancies, has announced the vacancies for the assistant manager. So IIFCL, it is a wholly owned Government of India company. So it has released the vacancies for the assistant manager, which is a very good opportunity for all of you who are preparing for the government jobs or the government examination. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the pattern of the examination, the eligibility criteria, the important dates that you have to remember. So let's get started. So it is a very good opportunity. So let's see about it. Okay. So first of all, the important dates, the opening of online registration is on December 7, 2024. The closing of online registration will be on December 23, 2024. So do not miss the date, okay? The closing date is on December 23, 2024. The tentative date for online examination is going to be in January 2025, that is just the next month. And the tentative schedule for interview is given for January or February 2025. The result will also be released tentatively in January or February 2025. So these are some of the important dates that you have to keep in mind. Now coming to the number of vacancies. So the total number of vacancies are 40, and these total number of vacancies, they are for the different streams, okay, for the general stream, for the accounts, for legal and such and such. So there are 40 number of schemes, 40 number of vacancies for the different streams, okay. Now, for the general or unreserved category, there are 17 seats that is allotted, and you can see the division. So there are total 40 number of vacancies for the different streams. Now, the age limit or the eligibility criteria is that the candidate must have attained the age of 21 years and must not have attained the age of 30 years as on November 30, 2024. So this is the age criteria, and you must be within the age of 21 to 30 years, okay. Now for different categories, there are different relaxations that have been provided. So I will ask the team to attach the PDF in the description box below the video, so you can download the PDF where you can see the relaxations for your particular category, okay. Now coming to that, there are 40 number of total vacancies that have been released for different streams. You can see 4 tentative number of posts or vacancies are released for project financing, stressed asset management. You can see the essential minimum educational or professional qualification, and the minimum experience, post qualification experience is also required. So you will have to see that for your particular stream, what is the qualification and what is the experience that is asked, okay. So for accounts also, there is the vacancies that is released for resource and treasury, for information technology, legal and such for different streams. There are different post that is released, vacancies that is released. So if you want to give the examination from a particular stream, do see your eligibility criteria, do see your minimum experience that is required, okay. Now for the general stream, there are 12 vacancies that is released, and the requirement, the educational requirement is postgraduate degree or diploma in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law, BA plus LLB 5 years, and chartered accountant or BTech or B, okay. So this is the idea, that this is the minimum qualification that has been asked for the general stream. There is the minimum experience, at least 1 year of post qualification experience in officer cadre in banks or financial institutions or central or government, state or PSUs, public sector undertakings, or any other organization of repute. Area of experience should be preference will be given to candidates. So here it is not compulsory, but the preference will be given to candidates having relevant work experience in banking and finance industry. So this is the minimum experience of 1 year that has been asked, and here preference has been noted down, okay. So if you are preparing for the general stream, post graduation degree, and this is the eligibility criteria, and this is the minimum experience that is required, and you can also see the preference, okay. So for different streams, there are different number of vacancies that have been released. This is for the general stream, okay. Now coming to the pattern of the examination. So first of all, there is going to be the test 1 and test 2. The test 1 will be having reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English and current affairs related to financial sector. So the type of questions will be objective, number of questions 25 each, and number of marks will be 25 each, and 60 minutes will be given to you for the test 1. Then there will be test 2. In the test 2, this like the domain knowledge will be taken like project finance or corporate banking, so your domain knowledge will be asked, okay. So objective questions will be in the test 2 also. The questions will be of like the number of questions will be 50 and the marks allotted will be 100, that is 2 marks each we can say, and 60 minutes will be given to you for this test 2 for these 50 questions, okay. So a total time of 120 minutes is given for answering. However, separate time will be allocated for each test. For test 1 60 minutes, for test 2 60 minutes, okay. The question in test 1 are of 1 mark each, that you have seen. 25 questions, 25 marks, okay. Whereas question in test 2 will be of 2 marks each, because 50 questions 100 marks, okay. So this is the idea. Now candidates have to secure minimum marks in aggregate as may be prescribed by the IIFCL, okay. So this is the pattern of the examination. Test 1 and test 2. In the test 1, there is the general like paper that will happen, quant, reasoning, GA and English we can say, and in the test 2 there will be domain knowledge that will be asked, and here it has been clarified that the syllabus is indicative and not exhaustive, okay. So this is the idea. So now interview will be taken, and the interview, if you have cleared the phase 1 we can say, if you have cleared the test 1 and 2, then interview will be taken of 100 marks. Candidate may opt for interview in Hindi or English, okay. So this is the idea. So this is all about the notification. I will ask the team to attach the PDF of the notification in the description box below. So do download the notification, and if you want to see some particular details, you can see the details in the complete PDF, okay. So this is it from my side. Thank you very much for joining the session today, and I hope you have got good understanding of the pattern of the examination. And if you want to prepare for the government job or the government examination, this is a good opportunity. You can prepare for it. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining.